It's not working again. It doesn't drain, so I need to remove the water. But this is not easy to take it out. Look at that. It says pound E06. That what happened. And it doesn't spin at all because there's something that's stuck here. I think that's the piece of paper that we put it in to collect the colored one, the colored. And then that was happened and it's stuck again. This is happening almost every other week. I have to remove it. I cannot take this out. It's so hard. So rather than I just let it, I don't want to break anything. So I do it little by little by collecting the water. This is happening, Miss Judy. Hi. Okay lah. Just stick it lah. To do it little by little. Because the piece of, I put the cloth, but doesn't work. The cloth is not, it's always, the water is always overflowing. Okay, Miss Judy, thank you for watching.